All right, there it is in front of it. Tie it down as much as you can. I like that it has the reflectors. It won't damage the internal, keeps everything cool. Open the zipper if you still need access. Keep the whole entire, if you have an air conditioner running, it'll keep everything cool inside. Winter, it'll keep everything warm inside too. All right, today we're gonna bring an RV cover. This is how it comes in a bag. It's pretty much enclosed in there. It's protective for the sun. If you guys can see the sun reflection, for in case you leave it outdoors, this is perfect, weatherproof too. So we're gonna put it up in our RV today and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. Just make sure you add your gutters covers in every single corner that's required. They're included small and large. It's stuck in here.
On the top, it looks good.
It's stuck here. You could use a cover to secure your gas tank. That's what this is for, right? So make sure you put that. You got plenty of strips here, maybe ribbons, and also for these corners, all right? For the gutters, make sure you have them. They have two different sizes, a larger one, and then they have a small one, all right? Depends on your system. You also have ventilation access on the top of the actual zippers, and this is the bag to make sure all the nylon string goes in there and cover it up. Guys, if you guys can see, we finally finished the product. Now we got a little confused here. These reflectors were supposed to be on the top, but they end up being in the bottom here, and I'm going to show you a couple things that we're going to be able to see. Now here, this part right here, here's the actual door zipper. All right, the door zipper, it goes as long as here, so you got plenty of room if your door's in between, in the middle, anywhere. And all you got to do is fold it in up and automatically will do it. Now here's a couple more reflectors. These are on the bottom, and this is how we're going to tie it down. We're going to make sure to secure it too at the end, make sure everything's done. But very simple, easy to install. It took about 2 people, and you do need access to a ladder to coordinate the top.